Ayan o, may poster ng Zootopia 2. Mukhang aabangan din natin yan sa 2025. Okay, busog na kami and fully charged. So it's time for the main event. Dito na kami sa Midland Square Cinema, isa sa mga premier theaters dito sa Nagoya. Tapat lang ito ng Meitetsu Line na train station. One of the things I love about Japan is the efficiency. Dito, napaka-convenient na kumuha ng tickets, lalo na pag weekend at maraming tao. Since nag-book kami online, gagamitin lang natin itong automated machine. No need for long lines. Piliin mo lang yung option for QR code. I-scan mo yung code mula sa phone mo. And just like that, lalabas na yung ticket details. Bilis, di ba? Ayan, Fantastic Four first step sa Dolby Cinema. But today is all about Marvel. Ang panonoorin talaga namin ngayon yung matagal na naming hinihintay, Fantastic Four. As a fan, I'm really curious to see this new take on Marvel's first family. Excited na kaming lahat. Quality time like this is priceless. Isasama ko kayo sa isang much needed family day namin dito sa Nagoya. Life here in Japan, especially with a full-time job, can get really hectic and stressful. Kaya days like these aren't just a break. They're a complete reset button for us, a time to reconnect.
Parang mas feel kong i-post yung Demon Slayer kesa itong Fantastic Four. Mas feel ko i-post sa Instagram ko yung Demon Slayer na ticket.
At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang movie experience kung walang souvenir, diba? Lalo na para sa mga bata. Si Stephen, ayan, di na mapakali sa nakuha niyang Fantastic Four merchandise.
Hey guys, today we're going to check out the Fantastic Four merch. Let's see if it really is fantastic.
Mukhang ito yung highlight ng araw niya so far.
This
He got a pen and a clear file.
1,320 yen. And I hope it was worth it because my poor father has... Oh wow, I like the weight of this pen is really good. There's a 4 here.
How's the
Oh, it's one of those hotel pens.
how's the ink?
Ink, I don't have paper.
Try to write on it.
Okay.
He's testing the ink. Mukhang okay naman.
Wait for it. Oh, there you go.
Is it writing?
Yes.
Oh.
Really good.
Okay, it's good. How about the other one?
Wait. I think it's blue. No, it's black.
How about
Black
the other
ink.
a black ink?
Yeah, it makes it even
Do you
better.
see the emblem? 4.
4.
Okay. How about the folder?
4. This is how much my grades are. Out of 500.
And now for the folder. It's a standard looking design actually, with all the characters, perfect for his school stuff. It's a small thing, but seeing him happy with a simple souvenir, it reminds you of the simple joys. It's these little moments that make a family day out complete.